Before cable installation, please refer to the installation manual for the wiring system diagram along with the recommended wire length and diameter. Caution: wrong wiring may damage the unit or cause it to misoperate. Be sure to use the dedicated tools and materials required for communication cabling. First, remove cable coat without scratching braided shield. Next, unbraid the braided shield carefully and twist the unbraided shield wires tightly together. Insulate the shield wires by covering them with an insulation tube or wrap insulation tape around it. Remove the coat of the signal wire. Finally, attach and clamp ring pressure terminals to the signal wires and insulated shield wires. Here are the examples of a good versus bad cable wiring. Let's start from the outdoor unit. Connect the control wiring according to the sequence to the inter-unit and inter-outdoor unit control wiring terminal. Then, ground the shield wiring on both indoor and outdoor side. Pull each cable to ensure wires are securely connected. To prevent malfunction of the air conditioner caused by electrical noise, the inter-unit control wiring should be wired apart from the power wiring. This is the outdoor unit control wiring terminal board. Moving on to the indoor unit. First, connect the control wiring according to the sequence to the inter-unit control wiring. Then, ground the shield wire. Lastly, pull each cable to ensure wires are securely connected. There are several types of indoor unit control wiring terminals, such as 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole terminal board. When branching the inter-unit control wiring, the number of branch points should be 16 or fewer. Do not install the inter-unit control wiring in a way that forms a loop or star branch wiring, as it causes misaddress setting. For group control, one remote controller can operate up to 8 indoor units. The maximum number of remote controllers for group control is 2, except for CZ-RTC6BL and CZ-RTC6BLW. Please refer to the instruction booklet before your installation.
Panasonic.